Knock, knock, knock. What's that sound? It's Harper's house. Let's look around. Toys are out and snacks are near. Come on in, we're glad you're here.
It's Harper's house. Mom, can I open my birthday present from Grandma now?
Good morning, sweetheart. What do we say?
But it was my birthday yesterday.
That's true, but when we ask for something, we say the magic word.
Oh, please.
That's better. Of course you can open it now. Let's call Grandma so she can see too.
My grandma lives all the way in New Zealand. She sent my gift in the post. Do you know somebody that lives in a different country? Hi, Grandma.
Hi, darling. Did you have a lovely birthday?
I did. I had cake and balloons and all of my friends came over for my party. My present from you came in the post. Can I open it? Oh, please?
Of course. I hope you like it.
It's perfect! I love it! Thank you, Grandma!
You're welcome, my love. It's for when you start school. I'm glad you like it, all the way from New Zealand.
It's so cool! Okay, Grandma, I have to go. Dad's making pancakes.
Yummy! My favourite. Speak soon. I love you.
I love you too. Bye-bye. I'm writing thank you cards for all my friends that came to my birthday party yesterday to thank them for coming and for getting me super awesome presents. This one is for Mila. She gave me the glitter slime.
What would you like to say?
Dear Mila, thank you so much for coming to my party and getting me slime. It's super squishy and sparkly. Love, Harper.
That's a beautiful message. You're being so thoughtful.
I want everyone to know that I loved their presents, and I loved that they came to my party.
That's what magic words do. They make people feel happy and appreciated.
When we say please, we're being kind. When we say thank you, we're showing love. That's why they're called magic words.
Little words, big hearts. Kindness is where it starts. Please and thank you, gentle and true. They show the world the best in you. Please and thank you, that's the groove. Say them when you talk, say them smooth. Tiny words with a lot to prove. Please and thank you, that's the groove. Snap your fingers, tap your toes. There's a little secret everyone knows. A few small words that sound just right. They make your manners shine so bright. Please and thank you, that's the groove. Dance it out and feel that move. Tiny words with a lot to prove. Please and thank you, that's the groove. When Mom helps tie my little shoe, or Dad gives me a snack or two, I don't forget what I should do. I smile and say a big thank you. Please and thank you, that's the groove. Say them when you talk, say them smooth. Tiny words with a lot to prove. Please and thank you, that's the groove. When I wanna turn to play, I don't just grab and walk away. I stop, I smile, I know what to say. Please can I have a turn today?